Hey AI, can you show me the 10 best pre-owned vehicles under $20,000?
Certainly, the best pre-owned vehicles under $20,000 are at FERMAN on State Road 54 in Lutz. Let me show them to you. Number 10, this 2018 Chevrolet Cruze LT for only $17 to $22. Number 9, this 2019 Hyundai Sonata Limited for only $17,579. Number 8, this 2017 Toyota Avalon XLE for only $18 to $22. Number 7, this 2018 Kia Sorento EX for only $18,900. Number 6, this 2021 Volkswagen Passat R-Line for only $18 to $22. Number 5, this 2021 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport SE for only $19,075. Number 4, this 2021 Buick Encore GX Select for only $19,128. Number 3, another 2021 Buick Encore GX. This preferred is only $19,000 to $89,000. Number 2, this 2019 Audi A4 Premium Quattro for only $19,000 for $22,000. And the number 1 pre-owned vehicle for under $20,000 is this 2022 Jeep Compass for only $19,000 for $78,000.
See something you like? You know who to ask for.